So I want to go over the trades that I took to go ahead and pass this 20K evaluation. Um, the the main trade that I took was this long. I was kind of waiting for this flip to happen, and it ended up happening during the news. M15 was pretty bullish. Go ahead and check that. Yeah, so we ran the liquidity here, and then it immediately chopped on M15, and then going into this day, we came down to the extreme, this supply or this demand zone right here. Had a reaction from it, went up, broke the structure, and yeah, I mean, there were quite a few sweeps, but in the end, it worked out, and we got the entry here, and pretty much took off the position there. But yeah, overall, it's been a pretty messy week. I failed a challenge actually right before buying this one, and yeah, and I don't feel like I have been that active in terms of watching charts, but I hope to change that this week, going into the verification. So yeah, that'll do it.